February is the second month and it is referred to as Èrèlé in the Yoruba language. But I want us to look at Èjì, which is number 2, and its significance in Ifa, which is the Yoruba divination system, where it symbolizes duality, partnership, and opposition. Èjì as duality and balance in Ifa states that the world is built on complementary opposites, white and black, hot and cold, male and female. The number 2 represents this balance and the need for harmony in life. Èjì in Odu Ifa. The second Odu in Ifa is Èjì-ogbè, which symbolizes wisdom, creation, and new beginnings. Ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀tun. Also, in relationships, Èjì signifies unity and cooperation, emphasizing the importance of partnership in marriages, in businesses, at workplace, in family, and spiritual practices. Èjì in Ifa rituals means that during many Ifa ceremonies, different objects are paired, reinforcing the idea that life thrives on balance and mutual support. This is seen in Èjì-ogbè, which says, Èjì-èjì ní ń bọ̀ wẹ̀lú, Èjì-èjì ní ń ṣàlejò, Èjì-èjì ní ń gbé ọ̀yà, Èjì-èjì ní báráyé ṣọ̀rẹ́, Ifá ní ká jìjọ máa bára wa ṣelé ayé, bí a bá jìjọ ń ṣelé ayé, a ò ní jìyà. Ntí yìí ń sọ ni wípé Èjì-èjì ní ń bọ̀ wọ̀lú, wọ̀lú ni wọ́n ń pè ní wẹ̀lú, Èjì-èjì ní ń gbé ọ̀yà, ẹrù ní ọ̀yà, ọwọ́ kan ò gbẹ́rù dórí, àjìjọ gbé ẹrù àjìjọ ràn ara wa lọ́wọ́. Èjì-èjì ní báráyé ṣọ̀rẹ́, ẹnìkan ò lè dọ́rẹ̀ẹ́ ṣe, ẹni tí ó bá wa kọ́ wọ̀rìn nínú oṣù Èjì yìí, tí òjò pé wa, tí òjò rọrùn, tí ó sì jẹ́ ká lóore rere tọ́ka sí, ń gbọ́ Elédùà dá papọ̀ mọ́ nínú ìrìn àjò tèmi àti yín láṣẹ Èdùmàrè. Kí tó àmọ̀ rí bàbá tí ọ̀pọ̀ mọ́ ń kọ́, Happy New Month. Ó dàbọ̀.